morning, my dear students of class 1. How are you today? Doing good? Great. So today in our GK lesson, we are going to do a small recap, a small KBC quiz. Okay, are you ready for it? So I will show you a small video which has certain questions and you have 4 options to answer them. Okay, and you just have to pick the correct answer. Interesting, na? So once we do this video, then I will ask you some more questions. So let's start. So babies, the first question is, in which city was Jesus born? Was it Mecca or Medina or Bethlehem or Istanbul? And the correct option is Bethlehem. Yes, Bethlehem was the place where Jesus Christ was born. This is the city of Bethlehem, which is considered to be very sacred and holy by the Christians. So, which is the country with the most people? Is it India, China, England or Japan? And the correct answer is China. Yes, China has the most population in the whole world, followed by India. And within a few years, India is going to overtake China to become number 1. Ooh, we need to do something about it. So which insect has colorful wings? Is it honeybee or housefly, cockroach or butterfly? Correct answer is butterfly. Yes, I'm sure you all have seen the butterfly with its beautiful colored wings. Look, the wings are so beautiful and full of colors. Incredible, isn't it? So, which is the fastest vehicle? Is it train or aeroplane or ship or car? Which runs the fastest? Yes, I'm sure you know the answer. Aeroplane. Yes. Aeroplane is the fastest vehicle. Have you ever sat in an aeroplane? I'm sure most of you must have. Isn't it a good experience, a great experience? So, which is the fastest animal on earth? Is it the cheetah, the lion, the deer, or the tiger? And the correct answer is cheetah. Yes, it's even faster than the lion and the deer. Have you seen the cheetah in a zoo? Yes, this is the cheetah with the spots on its body. It runs very, very fast. So, which is the bird which cannot fly? Is it peacock or owl or crane or ostrich? And the correct answer is ostrich. Yes, it is such a big, huge bird, but still it cannot fly. Look, it's got such big legs and wings also, but it still cannot fly in the sky. Which is the largest desert in the world? Is it the Arabian Desert or the Sahara Desert or the Gobi Desert or the Kalahari Desert? The correct answer is yes, Sahara Desert. You know what a desert is? It's a place where there is so much of sand. Yes, it's a sandy area. Look at the Sahara Desert, full of sand. So we get solar energy from, is it the trees or the sun or the moon or the fire? And the correct answer is yes, the sun. The sun gives us solar energy, which is stored in the solar panels. Have you seen these solar panels on the rooftops? Yes. India lies in which continent? Is it Europe or Asia or Africa or North America? And the correct answer is yes, Asia. India is a part of the Asian continent. Yes, Asia is a big continent. These are all the areas of Asia: Southeast Asia, East Asia, and India is a part of that. Which month has the least number of days? Is it December or February or May or October? Correct answer is February. That's right. February has 28 days, and in the leap year it has 29 days. So, did you enjoy this video and this KBC quiz? I'm sure you did. So, now I'm going to ask you a couple of questions, and I want you to think about the answers. Okay? So the first question is, it's a relatively easier question. So, who is the current Prime Minister of India? I'm sure most of you know the answer. Yes. But can you tell me who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? The first Prime Minister of India? Do you know who he was? He was a great man who loved children, and we celebrate Children's Day on his birthday. Did you get the answer? So in case you didn't, I want you to look up for the answer maybe on the net, or you can ask your parents also. Okay? And you can send the answers to your class teacher on WhatsApp, and I'll get to know. Fine. So that's all for now. Bye.